What up, your boy Moses. Now this right here is the bag. Now this is the bag to get. This is the Wolfpack 45L Meal Prep Edition. Now this is the one that I use for my meal preps, I use for the gym, I use for my business, and I use to take to work. So 45L Meal Prep Wolfpack backpack, super badass. Look at the actual design. Now I did go with the all black one just because I felt like it kind of matches with everything, but I also kind of feel like I messed up. I should have got another color, which they have some really nice colors on their website. Now this right here, this is your meal prep, your meal compartment. So if you open it up, so you can see one of my containers, my ice pack. Now in this actual edition, you will get 2 containers with the actual purchase. This is one of the actual containers right here. I believe this is the large, if I'm not mistaken. You do get 2 of these, but I needed some more, so I also use these, and they fit nicely in that compartment. You also get a ice pack to go along with the actual purchase. Now it doesn't stop there. You also get this utensil little container with your utensils included as well. So again, this is your meal compartment. You get a little zipper here. Now this is where I usually throw my ice pack, throw it in there, and then throw my meals right here, which fit perfectly fine. Let me go ahead and close this up. Now, as you guys can see, the actual design, you do have maybe about 3 Velcros here. They do include these actual patches. Don't be average, be a wolf, which come automatically with the actual purchase. Trust your instincts, which come with the actual purchase. Now you can remove these and you can kind of put it back on, but the whole moral of the story right here is the fact that they do have other ones that you could choose, and you can kind of customize it to your liking. Now you also have a small little compartment here at the top. Now this is where I usually throw all my easy accessible things. See, I have an extra vape right here. With the actual purchase, they also include a sticker. They also include a rubber bracelet, which is pretty badass. But again, like I was saying, usually right here, I throw my phone, I throw my AirPods, I throw my vape in here, I throw my wallet. Anything that I want to be accessed fast and easy, I throw it right here at the top. Oh, and you also get this little cool little coin with the actual purchase as well. So this is one of the large compartments. Now this is where I usually keep all my work stuff. As you guys see, I have a face mask. It gets pretty cold. Let's see if I can open it up. So this pretty large compartment. I got some medication. I carry some gloves. I have a couple of these plastic safety knives. And I also carry my radio in here as well, which I could carry more stuff in here if I'd like. Very large compartments. Now this is a second large compartment here as well. Now this is where I carry like all my other stuff. As you guys can see, I carry a lint roller. Also carry my sweater as well, which again fits perfectly. I was able to fit a full outfit in one of these compartments with no problems. I have my external battery pack, and all the way at the bottom I have my lotion. And there's also another compartment here which you're able to carry a MacBook Pro, your laptop, or even your iPad Pro or your regular iPad, whatever device is that the one that you use, you are able to carry it in there as well. Now here on the sides, you do have 2 pockets. I was able to fit my Yeti, which is the medium-sized one. I don't know the actual size, but I know it's not the small one. It is the medium size. I'm able to carry 2 shakers, one for my protein and one for my pre-workout right here on the sides, which fit perfectly. Now if we turn this around, obviously you got some padding here for your back. There's also another compartment right here, which you're able to store some things right here as well, whether it be a shirt or whatever, but it is another compartment that you have access to. Now here are you also got padding right here as well. Your shoulder straps, you got these little little latches right here, which you could attach a carabiner and attach whatever that you want. Usually right here I attach my badge. I throw my badge on here. You also have another little Be a Wolf, which again it is Velcro. You also are able to remove it. Here you have another little strap, which again you can strap this to your waist for more security. You also have another strap here, which goes across your chest as well if you choose to do that. But nonetheless, very, very functional, nice style, nice design. But I think most importantly is for me is the fact that I'm able to use one backpack for everything. I use it for the gym. I use it to carry my meals. I use it for my business. I use it for work. One backpack will pretty much, I could carry anything that I need for my full day in one bag. Which again, before I picked up this bag, I had to kind of switch from like 3 backpacks, and it kind of got annoying. So go ahead and throw this on. This also fits very comfortable. So you guys can see, you can also adjust it to your size. Pretty badass, and actually the actual design looks pretty dope as well. I kind of feel like I kind of messed up, but I will be ordering me another color because I just love these backpacks so much. So this is the Wolfpack 45L Meal Prep Edition. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. More videos to come, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Later.